Shemai lads, and welcome back to the Bad You may think, am I in the middle of a fight? Of course I am. The festival gross. This is the crazed gross stage. I pretty much only just started, and I watched a guide, so my load up is a lot different from what I would normally use. And it's also what's gonna kill me. Nope. You know, we killed the first one. That's a good sign. Hopefully. Why did I put out Paris Cat just then? Why was there a whale out? Yeah, I fucked it. Or not. Come on. Yeah, I think I've done something. You can hear the taps going on right now. Ah! Can you guys just, die already? I don't like this. No. What about no? Big bags of nope. Can you not? I don't like this. Yes, you've died. Thank you for this gift of death. But can I give it to you instead? Ah! No. Big bags of nope. 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 Can you not? I don't like this. I don't like this. Can you not please do that? Fuck you. Okay, so I'm doing the tactic of being an asshole. You'll see what I'm about to do. I go back in, if it wants to load, and apparently, I think I've done this before. It should let me continue. I forgot if this is a no continues or not. Hopefully it's not, so I can continue. Yes. There's a progress in battle. Do you want to continue? Yes, I do. Yep, CPU, go away. But you don't have to worry, because the squirrel's gonna die. Like, cannon, there we go. Woo! I don't know when I start the stack. I think around now. There we go. The first 7 of them are out. Put Paris in, because why the hell not at this point? Because I know everything's gonna go down. Okay. I don't know what just froze them, but whatever just happened was good. Okay, we're knocking them back. Maybe not a good thing right now, but we're doing something. Okay, I'm just gonna wait a bit. There we go. This is good. Good range. No, okay, they're knocking us back. Okay, now we got Valkyrie in. Everything's perfect. Everything's fine. Hopefully. Okay, no, they're actually taking out my stack. Okay, everything is definitely not fine. This is a bag of nope. Nipple nopes. Nappy nopes. Nubs. Nubsies. Other noises I can make. Anything? No. Big bags of nope. You can't afford all these nopes. There we go. Bye, die. Die in a fire. Yes, go away. Yes. And big bags of yes. No. I said no. What, you thought I said yes? No, I said no. Go. No. Nipples. Okay, the power of Xing out again. Nope, nipply nope. Nope. Now we're watching and we're waiting. Yeah, we're watching and we're waiting. Let's try this again. Maybe I should start summoning straight away. Like, as soon as it gets short, I should just summon, like, Jamila. What? I didn't summon Jamila. Fuck. Bickily dicklies. Nope. Nip. Nye. Hi. Come on. Okay. Okie dokie. Dokie dokie. Okie dokie. Dokie 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 do. Okie dokie. Chicken nugget. Chickens. What am I on about? Why am I on about chicken nuggets? I don't know. I'm mentally unstable, apparently. But what do they mean? I'm fine. Oh, this is killing me right now. Just die already. Not my guys. I don't want them to die. Gross. Crazed gross. No. Don't you even... Yep. Just killed Valkyrie. And that just says we're fucked. Did fisherman just freeze? Oh. I don't think fishermen can do that. The fuck is going on? Hey. Perfect. Now I'm watching. And I'm waiting. And I'm watching. I'm still watching laser. Yes. Die. No, I did it again. I didn't mean my guys to die. Can you not? No. Yes. Yes. And another one maybe? Hey, we got a critical hit like that does anything really. Just die. Yes. Valkyrie's back, bitch. And she's about to die again. Are you fucking kidding me? I don't want this. No. Or no. Can you not? I don't fucking like this shit. Can you fucking stop? Can you fucking stop it? No, I don't think they are. What am I titling this video? Pretty quickly lose my sanity. Logan breaks from playing fucking Battle Cats. This is what's finally gonna break me. I'm gonna go back and I'm just gonna be fucking insane. And yet, it's surprising. More insane than I already was. Fuck it. Just kill me. It doesn't even want to tell me the percent. Because they just know I'm screwed. Okay. I think it's because I have literally... What are you doing?
I decided to do what you did. I decided to do what you did in the bathroom.
Okay, he's setting stuff on fire. We have like a little metal thing that we burn stuff in. He's just setting fire to stuff outside. No, well, we got rubbish, like boxes. He's just burning it outside. I'm not going to question that. I'm just going to walk out. You've seen... They're on my channels. These videos are just us randomly burning stuff. It's just like fire fun. Because, why not? It was isolation. We had nothing else to do. Yeah, so I guess I'm not the only one losing our sanity. So now... I'm not just stuck in Cats of the Cosmos or into the future, but apparently the legend stages too. Are you kidding? Like, if we actually went in, I'm stuck. And apparently I can't beat the crazed stages. That sucks. Like, I got some good crazed cats. Okay, get me back in that. Hurry. I do have crazed cats, and they are useful. Get back. Like, we got crazed cat to crazed macho. Crazed tank to crazed wall. Like, we don't have the crazed axe, I think that's next. Or the crazed gross. But we got crazed cow to crazed giraffe. We don't have the crazed beard. Oh wait, it says. Yeah, it's crazed gracer. We don't have the crazed beard. But we got crazed fish to crazed whale.
It didn't go according to plan.
You know, beard and stuff? Okay. But we did get a crazed iron. So, he can do wave attacks. And he has an area attack. And he just looks cool anyway. And we support him. Especially when he turns into a super demonic What's going on? I do not want to buy cat food. Shut up. But we got the crazed mythical Titan cat. And shut up. He's cool. If he ever wanted to do his wave attack. Okay. Move you fucking up there. Yeah. I can't get enough of this guy. We got him in like a video, I think it was the last video of the Bobcats. And I can't help it, I fucking love him. I'm looking at our cat food right now. We got a lot. Meaning, we might be able to do a cat food evolution soon. Hey. Or maybe we can make this video not a complete flop. Maybe we can do it in this video. Let's throw that way through a loadout and get the anti-black loadout on. Then we can do the crazed XP stages. Bibbidi bop and bibbidi bop. Wanker, let me fucking win a stage. Yes, this is an insane stage. But I can beat this with ease and grind XP with it. I don't do it because it takes way too much energy and I don't have the time or the leaderships to keep refilling it. But maybe someone could help with that. Maybe someone who I could true form. Maybe this video. Maybe. Yeah. What am I whistling? I can't remember. I mixed like 12 songs together. Die in a fire, you black hole and white hole. Not in a racist way. Shh, don't cancel me, YouTube. Fuck, I'm already probably fucking cancelled. Copyright. Yeah. Okay, die. Okay, this is actually the furthest I think they've ever gotten at actually killing me. Am I actually gonna lose in an XP stage?
Welcome, Brody.
Didn't even close the door. So while I'm killing them, I won't be winning for long when it comes out. Good eye, Matt. Are you coming out yet? What about? There you go. Hi, Black Bun. Nightmare creature. Yeah, I think I got enough units to dig it out though. Like, it never really gets too far because my beasts that we call cats are just obliterating it. What are you killing? It's only like one thing dies every punch sometimes. And my army is just growing by the second. My money is still on max. Oh, wait. I think that's the first time I actually killed a Matarasu in an XP stage. Guess it's the first time for everything, even for Bun Bun. Anyway, she's back. I don't have to worry. The other Uber who's hidden there, you can barely see the hat. There she is. Just killed her anyway, so really no use, but it's just fun to have a Madarasi back anyway. And I almost got a second thing of the other one. Anyway, there's another Enigma stage. Well, that's going to be decoding for 3 hours. Anyway. She's been a big help. And I need 5,000 XP. However, what if there's some magical fruities that could help me? Actually, how much did these sell for? 50k. But I know. Yes, no. I have 3. But should I save them to join? Fuck it, it's gonna be like 12 years until I can even get like enough XP alone to evolve an Uber. But now with all that XP, guess what we can do? Enhanced defense and range. My best anti-black unit. Enhance. To a pizza cat. How does that transformation even... Okay, we need to get into cat guide for a sec. Give me a sec. Not Uber, super rare. He started as a weightlifter. Then he turned into a ring girl. Swapping genders and everything. And now he's a fat pizza cat. Back to being a guy. But has a massive area damage to black. World's biggest junk food fan who's about to get a nasty surprise when he sees they forgot the extra anchovies. Massive area damage to black. That was a lot of XP, a lot of cat food. Yeah, look how low my cat food is now. Only 2 red cat food. I have no blue cat food, just seeds. A low amount of greens and a low amount of purple. Now I've only got 1 epic. I went from like 50 cat food to 30. Which is a good thing, but there's been a special event on. Cat capsules, open capsules, get a chance again thing. Cat fruit. Anyway, blah blah blah. I suck at beating crazed cat stages. I got a new Enigma stage. I can still beat my XP stages, and we've trued English, Logan, English, and I've true formed weightlifter cat, and we got fat pizza cat. I'm still so confused about that evolution, but I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye.